Hi Ayushi,
Hello, sir.
how are you today?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. And you?
I'm very well. So tell me, what do you want to do today? Do you want to do conversation with me, or do you want to know anything
Sir,
else?
I want to know anything.
What? Let me know. What do you want to know today? So tell me.
Sir, today I want to know what's the difference between two sentences. One is I have no money. Second is I don't have money. Which one is right? Because I get confused of these two sentences.
You get confused to
Yeah.
use of these two sentences. Tell you there is little bit difference between two sentences. What you have spoken, okay? The sentences you have told me, it's not a difficult to understand, but lots of students and lots of people who always get confused about these two sentences. But there is little difference between two sentences is accent. You know what I think? You don't know what is accent exactly. Let me tell you. First sentence you have told me that I have no money. Yeah, am I right?
Yeah.
I have no money. In this sentence, the Britisher. Okay, this sentence is used by the Britishers, the person who live in UK. It means that United Kingdom. Okay, the person who live in UK who use this sentence like I have no money. And another sentence you have told me that I don't have money.
Yeah.
I don't have money. This sentence is used by the Americans because the persons who live in America who use this sentence. It means that there is little accent. The difference between two sentences only accent. Okay, like American says I don't have money. Okay, and Britisher says I have no money. But let me tell you the affirmative sentence of these two sentences. When you speak affirmative sentences of these two sentences, there won't be any difference between two sentences.
Yeah.
Like I have money, I have money. American and Britishers both American and Britishers speak I have money, but when they speak negative form of these sentences, they use I don't have money. Americans use I don't have money, and Britishers use I have no money. If suppose that an American asks to you a questions, do you have money? It's called asking question. Like I'm asking you. Suppose that an American, I'm asking you, do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
Like this. If suppose that in this time I'm a Britishers, I live in UK, then I'm asking you, have you money?
No, I haven't money.
No, I have no money. You can say, and you can say also I know I haven't money, but it is better than you can say no, I have no money. Okay, so this is the difference between two sentences. Because American translate this sentence to use the present indefinite tense. Because in present indefinite tense, you know what do Dutch comes as a helping verb. Yeah, Britishers don't use as a present indefinite tense because they translate these types of sentences in a different way. But Americans translate these types of sentences. I mean the Hindi meaning. Let me tell you the Hindi meaning of these two sentences. The persons who live in America and they speak the Hindi meaning of that sentences. I don't have money. मैं पैसे नहीं रखता हूँ, मैं पैसे नहीं रखता हूँ. एंड ब्रिटिशर से आई हैव नो मनी, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. बट इन इंडिया we follow the Britishers rule because in India it has the language, English language, it has been written in British accent. Okay, and we follow the British accent. That's why we have to use British accent. I have no money, and you can use lots of people who live in India who use British accent and American accent. Both are correct. These two sentences are correct. Okay, and Americans, one is American accent and second is British accent. Both are correct. Okay, I hope you got it. Do you have any problem in these two sentences?
No, I have no problem in these two sentences.
Oh, I think you understood.
Yeah, understood.
In future, whenever you have these types of problems, so please tell me. I'll definitely tell you how can you get rid of these types of problem, because you are a beginners, you want to speak English fluently, like a lots of students who want to speak English fluently, just like me. I'm not good at English. However, I'm speaking English. So tell me. I see. Nice to talk to you. Your questions is really amazing and fantastic. I like your questions.
Me too,
Okay, bye
sir.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Oh, before going, so friends, if you have these types of problem in your mind, so please write in the comment box. Next time, maybe I would call you, and take down your number also in the comment box so that I would call you. Okay, so bye bye. Take care.
Bye, bye, sir. Have a good day.
Bye bye. Take care. Keep practice and have fun, and keep learning English. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.